Hi, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're doing something a little different. We're going to cook naked. No, not me naked. We're going to cook these chicken wings naked. And why are we cooking them naked? Because we're going to dust them up with some Kosmos Q Wing Dust. So the only thing that we need to do to prepare these chicken wings before throwing them into the smoker is just to dry them off using some paper towel. When they reach 75 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Fahrenheit, pull them off. Now that the chicken has come out of the Flaming Coals offset smoker, the only thing left to do is to top it off with some Kosmos Q Nashville Hot Wing Dust. Shake the wing dust through and enjoy.